Ever dreamed of living in Hell's Kitchen? Well, welcome to 325 West 45th Street, Unit 403A in the Whitby building. The iconic building had its 100-year anniversary. This is right across from Broadway Dance Center, restaurants, theater. This is a 24-hour doorman building. There are 2 rooftops, laundry room, optional storage. Don't miss out on this one. Again, it's only $355,000. You can reach me for a private showing at 718-550-8033. This is Chris Caggiano with eXp Luxury Realty. Give me a call.